What happened last night and what are our plans today?
Yeah, so that thunderstorm, by the way, went till like 3 in the morning. Okay. Right after the thunderstorm, the mosquitoes just came right back.
Yeah.
And I was sleeping on my stomach and my back got torn up. So that's but hey, the sunburn helps with mosquito bites, so. Plans for today, get to Stewart, maybe take a nap, because I need to catch up. I woke up wet and itchy. We all need sleep. Yeah. Alright, so that's the plan. Go to Stewart. We might go out Fort Peterson, we'll see. But I don't know if the conditions of it. Recap, we're cooking breakfast. The boys caught some mullet. And we're eating mullet for breakfast. Kind of primitive, so. Yeah. Can we hand this up? And yeah, we're trying to this is our bed, so we're just kind of.
Yeah, they fillet the mullet right where we sleep.
Yeah. So. It's okay. We will manage.
Yeah.
I think the rain today should really clean up.
Yeah.
The rain. Between the rain and the high winds, might have a little storm later, of course.
Yeah, of course. Look at this, DK. Wow. Oh, hold on. It's focusing on you and not the sausages.
We're not ladies.
Yes, we are.
What's up, ladies?
That looks good.
Dude, if we can land this thing, it's gonna be insane.
Come on, land it.
Oh
my god.
Then you take a little scale.
It's a giant bluegill. Oh, the manatee.
That's a giant.
Oh, jeez. Oh, jeez. Oh.
Oh, it's real close. Oh, yeah. Keep your head up. That's right.
Oh, there it is.
Oh my God.
That's insane.
Holy.
Who's gonna grab it under the gill?
Yo.
Got him. All right, yeah!
Yeah.
Don't get the hook. Can you get it? Bring it back
Oh
and get a picture.
my god.
Get him all the way up there. All the way up. Yeah. Both of you hold him.
That is massive. Alright, update us.
My nails. They look pretty now.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Wow.
Look at that. Sharp and dumb.
Jeez.
Got a rash.
Oh, rash.
It's a superficial cut. Nothing bone breaking or anything. A tarpon just jumped up and bit my arm and I was like, oh. No, not really. So, storm last night. I'm feeling kind of awake.
No, you already
I know.
talked about that this morning.
But I'm feeling more awake now.
Oh, okay.
After our storm and our lack of sleep. So we're doing good so far. And right now we're sailing over to Stewart, which is going to take a while. We're not going offshore. I think we're going to go offshore tomorrow. That'll be fun. And yeah, we'll just see you guys. We'll give you an update soon.
What's up, Brayden? So, tell them what we just did.
Yeah, we just did a challenge. We did sit-ups, semi-sit-ups. So it's kind of like this. It's like this. We put our feet like this. We went up. I come up to do it.
Yeah. No. You get the
We
gist.
did that for an hour.
No stops, no breaks.
So that's pretty impressive. Never done anything like that. It was a challenge, but it's about an hour. So we're still on our way to Stewart. Jensen Bridge, is that called Jensen Bridge?
Yep.
Jensen Beach Bridge, North Bridge, we're about to pass it. But then we should be in Stewart a little bit ways after that.
Nice.
We're not about
Brayden! Recap.
Oh, recap. I don't expect these at all. But we're getting towed. A place called Peck Lake. It's I don't know where it is. It's in Jupiter.
Jupiter?
Jupiter, yes.
Whoa.
Yep, Peck Lake. Very dirty water. Look at that. It's very appetizing.
I want to drink it, looks like. Well, today we got super burnt. I mean, I look like a lobster. Hold on.
Camera.
Tan
Look at
line.
the tan line.
Oh, God.
Right there.
It's crazy.
It's true, though.
Oh,
Oh, recap.
we got some tan line. I changed to my Hawaiian shirt.
Wow, you're really
It's
good.
hard,
at this.
isn't it?
Yeah. So here, you know, we're gonna set up camp and wait for the other boats to also set up camp. We're all gonna anchor together. Okay, we're probably gonna like party really hard tonight, stay up until like 10 p.m.
10 p.m. Yes.
like last night,
Yeah, last
like
night.
what we did.
That's what we did. We
Yeah.
didn't stay up till 3 or anything.
Fellow sailor.
Gosh.
Yeah.
Alright, yeah, that's all it's fun for today. So, Peck Lake. I don't like Peck Lake very much.
And in 10, 9, 8,
I'm ready for this.
7, 6,
I feel like
5,
you don't do this.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
You just.
Okay.
Okay. We've arrived at Peck Lake.
Wow, it's so beautiful. Doing dips.
We have. Look at this cloud.
Wow. It's a feather one. It's a feather one.
And look at those clouds.
Look,
Those are gonna. It's like a.
Just recap, please.
Okay, what's happened? Oh, had a beach day, got terribly sunburned, not feeling too good with the sunburn.
Yeah, no,
we didn't get sleep like I thought we were, but it's been too busy, so we're just gonna sleep tonight. Oh.
Yeah.
Cut it off.
Hey, dinner, guys. Oh, interviewing?
Yeah. Kinda. No.
This is us. This is us.
I am us.
Alright, so we're off from Peck Lake. That was kind of boring, so we didn't do much there. We're headed off to West Palm, and we're going out Jupiter Inlet right now. So it's gonna take a while.
Action. Wait, no. 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5. Sure.